Happy New Year to everyone from the Animal Kingdom Lodge. We are about to enter the Zowandi Marketplace. Come along with me on this Disney Stranger Adventure. Wow, here we are at the Zowanda Marketplace. Look at this, Walt Disney World, Tinkerbell, and this is new 100 Disney merchandise, and this is $49.99. We also have grape cotton candy, and this is, we have Celebration Popcorn 100. Wow, look at this awesome one. Fly, I love it. And this is $75. Yum, yum. I love the melted Mickey ears. Chocolate bars. And they are $15.99 for the chocolate bars. Love it. Wow. These are all new for the year, I'm pretty sure. Let's see how much. There's the back. Wow, very cool. And more 100 pillows. They're kind of reversible. We have the 100 with the Mickey ears on this side. And then Walt Disney World Tinkerbell this side. I love it. It is Disney 100. And this is $29.99. Brand new merch. Very cool with the Fab 5. Actually, the Fab 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's another. Ooh, very cool. New merch, new merch. Haven't seen this before for the Disney 100. This is $29.99. A kid's shirt with Walt Disney World on the back. Very cool. We also have more of the Spirit jerseys. The 100. They are $89.99 with a really cool back, Walt Disney World. Headphone case. $21.99. Awesome. We have some Poppet Crippers, and they are $26.99.
A Minnie Mouse cell phone cover.
Oh, an auto case. How much is that?
$69.99.
$69.99.
2023 merchandise.
Wow, 2023 merchandise on the first of the year. And that is $26.99. We love it. We also have a coloring set, 2023. Happy New Year, all. And that is $19.99 with some very cool twistable crayons. We have the 2023 Goofy banner, and that is $39.99, and it is reversible. It could be Goofy or the castle. Very nice. We love this 2023. It looks a little different. Nice, and this is $64.99. Let's see what the back looks like. Oh, nice. There is the back with the castle. Oh, I like that. Very different. Not what you normally see. And over here, I'm so excited. A 2023 calendar. Nice. And has a lot of park pictures for each month. And that is $16.99. I could see my mom's stranger liking that. And what a cool shirt that is. And look, I see 2023, first day of the new year, $36.99. I love it. Look at all the characters. That is really cool. Here is Jumbo Animal Kingdom Lodge. And this is $36.99. Very soft. I like that. We also have an Animal Kingdom Lodge hat. And that is $34.99. Love it. We have a cool bag. Animal Kingdom Lodge. And this is $64.99 for the bag.
Look what I
What did you
found.
find? Oh my
A
goodness.
white rabbit
I'm
hat
late. I'm
from
late.
Alice in
Hurry,
Wonderland.
I'm late. That is
This would make you dizzy.
$34.99. Very
Get them while it
cool.
lasts.
We also have our Animal Kingdom Lodge mug, and that is $19.99. Love it. Very soft t-shirts. Disney Animal Kingdom Lodge. You know, this is a hidden gem here because it's like going to the zoo for free. $34.99. Oh, the robe, so soft. $99.99 for the Animal Kingdom Lodge robe. And we have a polo shirt with Animal Kingdom Lodge. And that is $44.99. I want to show you, we have a lot of cool t-shirts. And they're between $24.99 and $29.99. But I do see a Spirit jersey, just the plain black and white, nice and classic. $79.99. This is what I really liked. Isn't that cool? And this is $69.99. It is very soft. And we have our Crocs, Disney Crocs. Here's that again. This is really soft. And this is $64.99. Oh, another cool shirt. Look at that. Very colorful. We have some 50th merch over here. This is a nice jacket with 50th on the sleeve. That is $69.99. Walt Disney and Mickey. This is $44.99. Awesome. And you can't beat the little 50th Mickeys. And they are $12.99. Very cool. Look at the Joffrey coffee. You have the K-Cups or the actual dark brown coffee. $13.99. Nice. We have a 50th sweatshirt. And that is $64.99. Oh, and on the back, it has all the Fab Five. Love it. We have a little fanny pack. And the fanny pack is $29.99. A lot of 50th merch, even some lounge flies up there we've vlogged before. We have more 50th merch over here. We have a Walt Disney World candle. So they're still having some 50th merch that's not phasing out quite yet.
I bet you it'll be on sale.
I will be seeing it at the outlets. And we have an ornament set that is $49.99. And that is the Fab Five. Daisy's not included with that one. And this is one I wanted to show you. The marketplace front of the store where we entered was the outside. This is coming in from the hotel lobby, and how ornate it is. Very cool.
Which is $7.99.
guys on this Disney Stranger African adventure. And remember, don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.